Shata Wale and a can and nothing was it ayo. Say BBC social media swap. We are hurry up to take sides. Say BBC social media. We are hurry up to take sides. Mommy and very careful. I was hard, you know. And so me camera na me da form. Na me sere. Masere sa me wudi menye. Some bloggers use wo ma din wo Facebook so a. Me say some viewers no they are blind. The viewers are blind to notice. Everyone was empty. Some of the viewers no woman that me so and I say woman that me so because some of the video bloggers are playing with people's mind. Somehow be how can you sit down for somebody to play with your emotions? No. We should grow up. Mumian pay and we are moving. It's about them. We should stop listening to cock and bull stories. Yeah? And Tokwana Esi was social media. So, Minyan Kebi, me, Adame de Manuba to no, that Tokwana is finished. Me gun Tokwana say you are fine. Woman frame no. Se woman frame. Na se omutie me point of view na obetu ayese o twa na woman kuku kakranza. Asema wo ka dia wo be count okwan wo begu no. Ampa so emegu tokwa no. Megu no. Na me se enum nso na ebi mu nso edefa omu joy. Ti se omu betie o point of view na oma apa wa chawse nyabotre oba nyabotre hwe mumyenye very careful enti blogger ya no mama kakrakai wadi mudi agwanti muhu ya na bibisa mo odi mudi agro odi madwin di agro he's playing edabia no wo mo odwin se Facebook fo no wo mo kuzo na ye nkwala hadi afati muda etizen odwin se viewers no wa fa mu nwa e na obo mo to debi obetna so aso wo no na adwin so and he will play. Or play one play with your intelligence. Menkwatia. First time it was flour. Flour di chemwa. Yes. Wa hini bi se wa tu ne na yetia oni agrada ntoko. Hey, na sa wa hini wa o wa hefa. Wahine na watu ne na yetia blogger be me ya wakasa say wonna woni tunya da so blogger be me ya wakasa say ya wo peso o che Facebook fo nyina so onu na nim nyansa no be pese mbisa mo say sa wahine na gwa betu ne fu anti wagya woni agrada adokwa no sa ohine no na o he for all these years. Because some blogger no what na social media for years and even what the emebia see abedi di wo matem kra emebia see ni page ni Facebook page anwa oni ni for years den na Facebook for je totwe na ye what the baby akosu akuma enchen say na koto so en ye je totwe na ye Sat I'm not on no way. Because they think they have platforms, so they can fool anybody, and these viewers will sit down for them to fool them. When you're careful, people you follow, and for what again, and what woman you know, and what deep blogger be na one can of correct. One can of correct. Where a year for two, when you're very careful, extra careful. Me kwati amete se ohini bia tumefo. Na choka no faso bia ni so. Hey! Nearly 10 years. 10 years on social media. For the past nearly 5 years. And as a choka yi abranti started with social media. And it's how one no one agrada. No, I don't lick asses. Master, you are licking agrada's ass. Because Madika Beka, Amanka the Dika Beka. Now, Adana Amanka Echo or Buffalo. Amanka and a digital Musa Sikagari fake. Memoir. Ebe chire mu nyina yie. Chire ebe de beto so. And a branch yes okay. So oye adwuma ema Ghana ne de also ka nokre. And say enokre no. Brei person wo chire say Sikagari is real. I don't think far and I don't think madness. He is playing with you guys. Monya careful. Very careful. Na mumma mweni na ho. The people you choose to follow. The people you choose to follow on social media. Monya careful. Na mpese mbisa mo say, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for World War 1, 2, 3? Because Momo any date. Mama ngege woni kinsi ebepra wombaku. Second time. Momo any date. Eye war ene da hon. Amankrado. Oni etikasiye. Omo enye eyi enka emeboa. Omo ko. Aha. Ene hu se agrada entokwa ebeba beda oni Amankaro ntem dada etikasi anu kona wo ko agrada wo no okop for a purpose. It is agrada se wo se wo ye smarter afi na me pete mu o smartness ma me katawoto agrada katawoto nyame nim nukurani me makato say I'm not against agrada, but I'm against Sikagari. I'm against Sikagari. Sikagari is fake. But not agrada's personality. Najuma na wo ye they fake. As same way, they be America. Every day, Mecca till the kingdom come. Agrada Sikagari na ye fake. But the personality no onye me eboni bia. And I can't sit here and talk bad against her rather than Sikagari. Penny for me back. Rather than Sikagari. Cool. Rather Sikagari. Somebody has here. And you know, choose properly. You can watch them for fun, but don't give them your mind. Enfu akoma enu adwi enkodi wo machi. They are fake. Blog guess na omugusu no. I know ENKB for years. But I can never talk bad against him. Onya me bone da. Enye ka mempo enanka maye ENKB ebone da. He's one of the real guys on social media. But the rest, they are fake. Udi wo mechia, ubedi wo menim. Me binibia nanti, and I know what I'm talking about. I've been there. Me say, Miss Agrada, you're very careful. Dear Meka, Nana Agrada, you're very careful. Woma bebe wono. Enya woni de grand case. Woni ma ame gege de eye kit eye obi na kwese eye chete. You feel the heat. It ye careful why? Media men kase mpamonipa. Ena enipa tesa, it could be so oba watesa. But boda mi se wa bodam kra no. Anase kraman. Wo se wa bodam kra na enya body gadum. De pese me ka che ono no. Muani na ho eye be na emede abu no. Abo kraman. Wo se wa bodam o, wa bodam wonam kra. Ba enya body gadum. Boda mi se wa bodam kra na enya ne kakra wa aka. Ya sane ya de man ho ato no. Still out in the way, now you can be careful. Monfa encomagrada, why? What's or bet you are me say, Macassa. Let's talk about Ghana, why, Mr. Damo. Munyas uncle phone as a montunche, ne drew a dear, I was or bet you are be baby and some be viewers and near baby when your mamma feel you, trebia messy. I'm a mom say yes. Da chehima efia santua. Oh, ma minute saying bibia boko. Mama money na ho. Mama money na ho. Say publicity be kwadi obi ntanya. Eya mo hwe reaction na esi social media so. Na ebedi say nipa ntanya. Moncha reactions are ekoso. Monya careful. Not all glittered is gold. Any pa or baby you be me. And me to say. And me dia me fita. And me dia I don't like access. Me say ube komu na wono na elect access. Ube komu no na onu na nakuma yotum se bidi. Monya careful. Na mene ohini bi na ebedi nkomo eyesi saki mini mi be sunglasses abusiafo sanya mi bedi kan introduce em ho no me se ensem bi ekoso social media so me obeti wa metiwe. I'm a woman of justice. I'm a woman of justice. Me penokre na me kan enokre nipa. Sa me kan okre wo ye wo hene. Wo ye sofo. Wo ye hwan. Na sa asem no edikase ye ka kire wa obeti wa me ka kire wo. Wo ye president kura na me kan okre na kire wo. Straight. Emisa ya wa hasena. Videos abe trending. Yesi man bidede Saki Abbas Jiwa Saki Abbas Jiwa mpama chao monfa mi video we enkoma no Saki with due respect mimi buadia pa entre mo bonu de kura me pa ko bi jese dia mene nante ye na say wajani aba wo camp no wono na mama nkonkra mu ka me sa me ankra frem agia fate me o betra dem was say I will work you out what o be she studio room was say I will work you out from this room mama kasa okay adia salam alaikum diam ne nante ye no wono na jese wa mama pay enkramo kame obeti wa samre mesi ankia frem agia fate anasi ye frem agia mamu natu but subana ko yentina I'm back to square one says them kwa sorry mama ka bibi nchamo ami say information about beto so about beto social media so say eye Saki Abbas Jiwei waba betie gina agrada eni yonsi sensensem nimu Saki mepa achaw mesrew hwe wo ye pani mepa achaw respect yourself and your position very well mepa achaw yesrew mepa achaw Facebook fo pa achaw respect wo yampese echina bi na wo bi di wudin ene nam Facebook ne so na wo mu bo wakutia even enipa ko nim wo woni enipa wo ye enso so enipa ko betimi aba betena so aba be ka won nsam a enimu emfata bi all because of yon see say na wo de na Nwama public in one wa be ben wo no me pa chaw me srawo Saki Abbas Jiwa my investigation ebebrebe na mahu the person awoye it maximum respect and me obeti wa emedi ama mama respect pa mama we buo ye ndimu emu oden Alhaji Saki Jiwa Abbas Jiwa me pa chaw me srawo dia tia me se mempene ma wonti yonsi se emfiri ntokwa ne ho no one yonsi se record a wode ti social media so enye ebon this is not the time he's been doing that almost 5 years nie ya ntokwa na wote ade ne eso a wokon wa ye ntokwa contractor na wo mo ye miensa ne ntokwa tiesim mameka bibi nchango omo kwaji ntokwa contract na wo oma betnase na wo ma ko amobi mama meka bibi nchiramu enipa enyimi yo we don't have short memories Ghanaians don't have short memories sha Jonsi say Alhaji Abbas Sadiki Jiwa Mameka asem nchirawo Mami bie 1 2 3 key bi maw reason tia mesim memma wontwe yonsi se fit to come he must fight he must finish what he started hwe komsheni Muhammad ya minyanum kramofo nyina esom no me I believe say he was a prophet yes he was a prophet komsheni Muhammad I believe because many kramofo bebre anante obudo timi kire me ayi prophet Muhammad no enyema bia wo beye ya yenum bi kura no we don't know and you know we don't know emotion efon fasko yeah obeye but your sister Kamal Muhammad etim de ni begina social media so and the team komsheni Muhammad atam ache the whole world and my radio stations in Tramofo radio stations eye I can't say we omo be national because we didn't komsheni Muhammad atam Alhaji you were at another. Where were you? Why didn't you stop him then? Why now? Who is Agrada? Bibisao. A dear Ben, a shot 20. Alaji Jiwa. Who best to put yon Sise? Kamal Mohammed. Only Nanagra Dantokwa. There's something fishy in, and we want to know. Because yon Sise don't want people to have secrets, so he will never have secret. Alhaji Jiwa me pachao. Meti miasa ema more than 10. Ally was social media. It's women no. Ema te se me. Meti mi de me hu agina ho. Na ma bua Hausa fo ne. Christians ma ya yon sis atena social media so egu wo manimu ase. Enti na me bo keke ka bobo nwum no. Wo ya dia e so wodwen. Dia why na atwam no it will bounce back to you. Mama ka se menchira wo. Ne last account of Facebook je to twene ye no. Mu bi sa mo se eye den na Facebook je to twene ye. What do baby? E tonga e hu sei. E no de beto so. E na enkofo kan ho se na Facebook ji account no to twene ye. E no lose sa account no. Boni abranji ya ta Facebook so adi no. So when we say na grada etutu eye kalabule na so wo be fight age amagana fo a Alaji Jiwa say one prema yonsi say am fighting tia agrada. He must fight. Ayaduma nebra. Because agrada sika gare no aye fake. Agrada sika gare no aye fake. Ana wo mu grudges no na bi samasam. Edi enti na yonsi say emomu na ebe yiye video abepa agrada acho. Ya smoke peace pipe. Beni agrada machane flowers. Kamal Mohammed enye sa na wo kire maduma no. Say so ba na me. Wan kire me sa. Enti no I don't think far, I don't think madness. So what you say? Dia wo kire me no ebi na ene midi spirit kire wo no. Hwe ma me ka se mi kire wo. Boni ayonsi said no. Obeti wa me say if I want to mobilize women on social media to stand against Yon Sise, to do a petition against Yon Sise on social media, Alhaji Jiwa, at that time now only phone data na. And again, now one I believe say uko YouTuber a funny go. Half of them is dead. Mamenka bibi nchiramo. It's about time a Ghanaian should face the fact. Yade ayi. Yade obi ama a reference statement. Oh. 18 that I am men can comment, you know. Okay, let me start again. Sure. Yon Sise kwanya wode emanum biafa so no enya sem ketwa bra go to YouTube Alhaji Saki Abbas Jiwa wo Accra my investigation mehu the type of person you are even though no wonya sariki wonya ohene but owo dibre enti no I will give you the sariki for now. So what you say? I will give you that sariki because when and people respect you. Enti let me give you that maximum respect. Sure. Sa guy no obema won say si form but any date e magina to kwam Africa say won kun so am media na nyane. Sure. Me wo ba metie yi me wadi ye mo hwe ekwan abranche de me fa so obi am amini wadi agro anantepen social media so ye fa me ho like the enemy ama me wo ye emenyem wo be ye video se me ba be wo me yam se me be ye nya wo me yam ama wo afa me ho afa me ba ade me British baby girl yidie menya wo yidie and not just say Beyonce is we have unfinished business or may say 100 years say ya a woman abe you what tumba kukuna meko mokache alaji jiwa say mese me Beyonce is entry the movie to kwani mu nanti free mu china na nko obi aka wo enipa de do passport abeto abonten Beyonce is wo leke access enya saa na wo kire amadwuma no se obi ekopọ passport e de ebeto abonten a mimidu kan ete say obi kwaje o passport ebeto abonten a wo se atwa wo kopen pakro chaw there be aswanse for some men kan to say enya saa na wo mo ye o madwuma enya saa ye yetete aswanse ni bia there be uma enipa ni feel heat when timi ama enipa na feel heat woche ya maami ndege ni santo kwafo aso no ena wodi ani beto mu senka na aiwa you a anka metwe ama woni ndege afinish wo mo to kwa da wie so what you say aga betwe ama agrada any maami ndege wie wo mo to kwa no na woni na sesafo aso but no wo benka tatie what me afesi agrada what chayama oba besia standing up to agrada ene na ebo atwede afi na wodi abetum se wodo passport ebeto abonde na wo wie ya wo se jantokwa na simfimfi se alaji jiwa se wo be ka se be ware ya mikunu na waka se wo ma mempia bonten emeka no wo se wo mpene I must come out and talk. Then he allowed me to come and talk. Mamenka bibi nchira mu maba bonte bekasa yonti se be pia bekasa nara si di Allah he must come and finish what he started. And we was fighting ekosi asie because he was fighting Sikagare. So obako me na wonam wo kom emeka to say jai wo se wunyai wo ma me wunyanom me pese bibisa Alhaji Abbas say Nana Agrada opro nkomseni Muhammad ana Nana Agrada was to sing a man penimfo ni akesefo a yon si se edidi wo matam agina Facebook so edi obi ahemu oba biase edi natam on social media. Who is Agrada? Ala se owu pia wonte no se wo mu beka se Alhaji Jiwa se oma yon si se enkontokwa wo social media so biemu a obeti wa anka I will understand him perfectly because we on one piece on social media. But I will be singing out. Say Alhaji Jiwa say one man who yon si se wo mekun what to the next year one Agrada talk anymore. Who is Agrada? Ye will be yampene. Yabi Yampinio, your CC must come out and talk. He must fight. Obekun. Messi diamiye one academy. One waka wa obey times 100. Diamiye anka enen kwanku wabe so camera 4 times. Some mobekaya. Se Ghana for any short memory. Ena dia make no some mobekaya me ko ware ye no. Na oba Facebook live every hour. Won so wo jai. Yama wunyai. No, you want to say, Yama wunyai to kwade that you must fight your eternity. And ye ediaba Facebook and maybe a bow. Tin tokwa padie. No. Alaji Jiwa Abbas. Papa, mesre with due respect. Men folk and fu any monya metu sadi tante we mu da. Never. Who any monya pa. Hey, Benyan Kofo sending me pictures. Oh, wow, inside that. Or must send no pictures. Oh, you nice man. Yeah, what wouldn't penny for a hibum. So what you say? Aha, wouldn't penny for a num. Me pa chow and fu any monya metu social media and say muda. Me pa chow to free me pa chow. Nadia Yonsi is starting years ago, no. He must finish it. Me kaise aman krado kan asembi. E woni video bim I will never forget it. Was it say who be starting to kwa na? Yem pen to kwa e che baba be yop ka say papa simesi nana simesi say minyai. There be when you start it you will finish it. Enti na me ne kwaku pepra de no. Me ba abonten even though na enya me yam say me be smoke peace pipe. Because na ayo no na offend me. Me pia abonten me ka hwe. But onu di me ka pia abonten be say ensem gu me so. E ma bloggers nsen kwasiafo bi so akota na chi be ye videos ma no. E be ta na chi wo bre kura na me mu obeti wa. Me fa ne ho asam ko gina ba bia nka da. But oti say yes obeti wa say otwe camera. I feel offended. But I'm not penny for them. Me ye madre say anka I will grant him that offer. But not on peace pipe. I have to come out. Sanity. Me see sa peace pipe. When agrada me say yon sister must fight agrada because we started. When I do o passport they come agrada because we need be there go so many years. Because who could renew a passport back? Me wo betua. Me now eno ko no aye busy. Me na me do passport e de call Ghana embassy man wo. Edu say go kwaje me na msa kwaje wo ade bre wo. I can't remember. I never put your picture and I say your passport outside. Because you agro bi akodi ye. Na for people to know the truth, me person go for who say nana grada nim eni ayi motia bia ya what say enkofo e passport bre no. I was following the fight because me name's adwuma ne mra. Aha, oyo oti ni motia na de bre no. Nana grada ni motia o woni motia me say ni motia ni nyina dwane agya. Akani ni padua ene na adwen okura adwen kese obebi tu no agye na okọ because oka twa ko na kofa 100 million bra na wonye senye ma na wo beje afika gari wo didi na etu a hunu se obi a won kan twa nkofa bra na aka wo ko ye na aka wo beye na watene de afirim se wate ase but obema wo kofa ba na onu akọ oda fake wo online baby oda fake wo online e man krofo akonfo panimfo bi ada womanti no obeti wo I have that website now akonfo ne kala bulefo order sika any currency free edi bu nkrofo wo Ghana and I was following passport and assembly because they are very important say would you be identity abroche yeti ebebrebe e change wo date of birth and ewurem obi bi wonu ma na what the date of birth na aye passport enti na want me fa nya foforo onu so peso otu kwan na what is na fa foforo na what dia ye na atom no odi aba normal. But kwanya passport ni fa so a ekodi agra dancer no. That's what all Ghanaians want to know. So what you say? Yes, Ghana for be say sika gare e fake. But we have to prove beyond. I was here to say agrada only motia bia. Ya what is uncle for a passport abrano. But inside this one man, one we just said you we have some betrayers, sir. They do that. It's Alhaji. A Juma, young, this a war, you know. So one can't tell a Juma. Aye. A Juma, or you know. A Yamisu Juma, a Tijan no Macon. Na, dear Dane Crown Alhaji Wamaka, Messin come Shahini and Muhammad. Yours is a bit in a town. Clamonibia can look to Mudin Shannon. Check. A man who draw met in Yabu Bedin was a ya. A yana answer him. Ya, what do you matter, what in the cassette or baby nice up what the guy confirm. And you know, social media so. Nina Alhaji wasn't well. Why only agrada at the end of the day? Yon si se wo de onayetiam yan pren na yan prenchna Alhaji twonwo frim me pa chaw me sra wa me pa chaw with due respect me mpese obia do anim ebeye fom na boma me fa wo ese ntwam he obeti wa me condemn any blogger. We are from different backgrounds. Obiani send you was any videos. And Obiani send you osikasa. Share. Say and I know a blog be person or teach your blog and be anymore. None of me one. Mammy, what is a Europe war baby? Sister Penny Moon, and one return bloggers if one you know a graduation. It does a buy your opinion over so camera. And now who did it bloggers be at them? Obianka Obiamo would Adentia. And no about not Nekaba. I say you did not to free a Fudakam. And I made the administration design Obiasumau. I broached it and I would hear design of Casa Obetobias. Now Obisha designer at an wig. Shall we get a national war? 1989 wig. And the show what you better social media the wood some bloggers be a one my shepe. Sanitarians or £1, so £22 a yen your person wash a diabetes now. Once the opposite was sending will cover na aye kufuno. So crow coquetti and the show. And I would diabetes social media so. And I would some bloggers be at them. Se ebi mu beka abo akwasia ebi mu de ebi mu ase ebeta wo de onka ne sa ka wo de apesa wo kan enankofo ntio simple as abcd me pa ma chaw se wo hwe me a bell na e wo soro wo no click the bell mesra wa mon click bell and am afro so won hu se maba because Facebook no Makadi ayati one hackers a hacky part of my account. Me boss wa enkofu me e chenze marie video no. Ti me pa acha was afa nu aba. O click ke don e bell de dia. Me ba ya. Menu abed wa mti menya wig type. Somewhat a me woman be sweaty pa. Be obi am sweaty. Enti ewra na wo try say obo be divert attention no. I'm not here for Kingsley. I'm here for young CC. Kamal Muhammad. Watch ya. I was able straight no. Ha. Mo amudi na chise mo support no mo wo hefa. Ah? Mo ka no crunch no, tell him the truth. Masa wotia enu nya obi enk ata kuntokwa. But let people see reasons with you. They are starting here no say wo ye no. Finish it, my friend. Now we did Emma with Emma Helmu. Wunya ba adia no size. E dedi asem no one make kantre no. Wo ye no video gu na wade. Kramoni bi atimi afre wan ka jo se jai. Obi atimi astopo. Na agrada oche adia no adia you know size on. Agrada woche nkomsheni Mohammed. Ya enipa pempem enkramofon kron asomo no. Agrada channel. Never. Agrada can never be bigger than Konsheni Mohammed da. And he said, you see said you believe in Konsheni Mohammed atem. Actually the whole world. Na man to me anka one Agrada daddy and Obeka. And I just say, Alaji Abbas, Bibi Shaho. And I walk on her. And I open say, or stop it. Miss Row, ye pacho. Yes, Rawa. Ye, a mama on my Ghana. Ain't Jan and now met was why. Yes, Rawa. Yam Penemanin can noon to mudra. Hey! There be lalai tofia kwa, God forbid. Kai, obwa. Ebi si that yeah my want to say can I to more social media and so because all started sign man the catch no say onyai na yen focus wo eniema ye ho what we have planned ahead of us and no na wo ma yenye wo se lalai obedi amankra do achi akokontokwa en wa kokum bepem samre enti sadiki mesrawo Saki Abbas Jiwa. Mesra me pachaw obeti wa me bunkoto je pachaw. Sa opete me bunkoto je wo Facebook live me bunkoto je Alaji Saki Jiwa Abbas Alaji yesra wo Jayon siso janu na yejino yejino wo mako me se wo bet na social media so akwa ba akokora. Sometimes and ebisha baby and watcha and adia to ho ucha nadia to ho ucha and adia to ho yampene. The truth must be told. You see say o passport na ye den ekodi agrada baby o video bi obi di breme wo say Millie Lawrence and na wo kai say ucha koma no man ne de ye ade ma wo enti Millie and de koma agrada na Millie Lawrence bra ebe you ohuano Millie be we are mefrau. If you want me to interview you, I will interview you on my platform. When I would come agrada na how true this is. We want to know the truth because ekota abonteno se obi peso of faster identity no edidi ne bone a anka wadi edi ne bone me se me no nka se de akwa na I don't wish you bad, never. A better abonten na ye me ya. A better abonten no ehye me pa. Passport ni ye den every milli ho ekodu agrada ho. Eno to so oh we nyina yasem sawati ase enti no enumre se mu amani obolobo ya obeti wa memma meche wo ade we say sume say follow me on YouTube Obatiwa multimedia me page is a one like it ya like it na 2021 fire ya and yasam ketwa hey the one and only truth say ya and penifo say asem no kress one fan to one ma e free talk eya mo ka no krancha mo ho mo ka no kra enokran empepa da ebeda wa mo ba wakwa aba abeto se enokra we wo na kan but se wo twantro na wo ye anyemafi a wo dwen se yon sise wo tena ade ne tutu se wanye sa anyemafi a anka ene ka menya biaka menya binka mesi wode emase oba wo huni da onhia ne da onhia ne baabia da on just ohun ne kura se ne peda onhia no airport mpoda but senye oti baba betna won ma edi wase ene omotuo ma bedi watem no ase ono ne da waye mo follow me for years you know what's up and you know what I'm talking about so much as here my catch them media no obeti wa have powerhouse the one and only truth say ya hey nyam watch na ejigamia mesa ba life mem meti a chance wa pie a chance you see say pie bonten on pie you see say must come out and talk. He must come out and finish what he started. We don't want to listen Saki Abbas Jiwa Abeka no kre yan minu yanyini ma alaji na kata me kantre yese one was topu one agrada entokwa no na yemputu alaji questions. Yes, we have questions for him. We want him to see reasons with us. Reasons here, you can never stop what you started. Why now can you? So what started talk, you will finish it yourself. We are saying, me person me chira was say. So why am I wo yonko ntwan kwa wo sum ntwan ko do da. So why am I wo yonko ntwan kwa wo ntwan ko do. Sad and we are saying there be na wo cause circles. Now uko besi enkom besi obekwa besi sa obekwa besi obekwa round adan ya tna wiase nya sa what tna wiase nya sa wo de why you adwen say no create platform wo di bebegu nkrofo animu ase enna ka onyamya ya adoma papa ba akopa wo ye no no aba beka je alaji se giant okano woni as agrada to kwanu watu na enetiam alaji obeyi ni nan alaji obeyi ni nan afiri to kwanim obeyi yes alaji beyi any alaji say uye peace maker dia ada na agrada na ngaga dia no onka na wo munyai why only yours is it because oye ayi muslim na oma ka na enye muslim ntiana ayi racist yes ayi racist alaji so we sadia you are being racist alaji because yon sise oye wunya kramoni ejina wo ka bi ma no enya ntokwa ba akopɛ so na e wo social media yi so se what ase ntokwa ne do so na wo so amankra do ne yon sise wo beef maami ngege ne gay yon sise wo beef Kingsley be plane yon sise amankra do e wo beef se what ase beef na wo so ne do so woti me yi yon sise nku amfiri mu se onu nku anya ntokwa no ete sa de ane ai no anya de why you racist no yimu tribalism ana wo ye no so we ya sa dia tribalism talk enti me pa chaw wo ye pani e wo say wo de onan si wonom akla bibia to onan si ntokwa ni nyina mu ena free obi na effort obi out enu atu obi afo ni ehun se alaji aye onyam mesu adwuma but alaji abeka kire ye se wo yi young sisenku afri mu dia tribalism racist obroni beka se racist. It's a racist talk yampne because oye ukro muni woni ne enyinaka Allahu akbar nti ana wuyi na afri mu no yampne na mpne china alaji wuye racist alaji wuye racist Ghana ni beka se tribalism yes enokra de woka ohunya hi obeti wa maka the one and only true sayer alaji sa mekasa ti awo sa mekasa ayi sem manu tiawa manu kokotwea kafra but enokre enam be ka kire wo atem nokre de wo ka se ya na ye ka no eben ayi oboni ba ka se the truth hurts esusu na eye nokre na wo ka alaji sa wo ka se nation blogger ya wonu na wose wode Facebook video twa eba social media so ode edane ntokwa atna so okun ntokwa so wadwen se wo okun ntokwa eju ba beyi wonu nko afiri so dia na alaji anko yie entwa yie emepa acho fra ma me ngege fra man krado fra kinzi bepra fra obia fra pebdonko na wonu obia nkasa se wo alaji jiwa watu onaye tiam Facebook utokwa no wo munyai na mfaso obi ani so let them see reason with you but oka say what be you yon see senku afri mu dia e racist tribalism yampini o yampini alaji me say I will mobilize a man yon see say me next video obaby a yon see say di watem bia me sell inbox me mama yake ya umbam hey we will talk on social media ya be kasa wo social media so ama alaji Abbas jiwa ehun ade ayon si se dia yamu enti wo bia inbox me enti yampne o alaji lalai tofia kwa alaji me se mempene la me say wo ya ye racist wa ha jaze me ya santini ma me ngege eya bununi aman kadu fi asanti achem jaze yo si senko na ye muslim en wa beyi na firi mu dia entwa ye yampene alaji yampene eya racist enti no na me ba ya obetiwa me nanti sie no obetiwa makasa with full vim monfa me video when come alaji Sariki Abbas jiwa ya owo Accra ya wa establishing who well alaji salamu alaikum balabakatum bedamase